tell everything equal.
Is it okay to be wined and dined and receive gifts without being in a relationship?
Yeah. But yeah, people can do what they want. If you want to spend money on people or people spend money on you, I don't think it should be outlawed.
If you're pursuing a lady, you're kind of obligated to be like, yeah, I'm going to fit the first bill. But if she's acting like the next one, she ain't going to pay, then I can understand that.
Unless you're my main chick, then gifts lady. And then we're invested like that, I ain't spending nothing. But if it's a date, you know what? If I go on a date nowadays, if she's not paying for me, I ain't going.
Yes, ma'am.
So it doesn't happen. You don't try it, nothing, and then it happens.
You still try it, but you know.
You can give it all sex.
On date 4, I told him, I'm very honest and open.
Right.
I told him, listen, you're not that, you've got no substance. Is this all you are? You're a beautiful man, but that's all you've got.
Right.
Focus on being good people. Even earlier on, we're talking about good men. Why would you even question having a good man? That shouldn't that be everybody's ideal?